Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove and replace JBL Tune 770 noise-cancelling Bluetooth headphones earpad cushions. If you have damaged them, you can simply remove them and put new replacement on. To remove the earpads you need a flat, non-sharp object. A butter knife is ideal for this task. Carefully insert the knife into the gap between the earpad base and the headphone body. Then carefully pull the earpad off. The earpads are held to the headphone body by plastic hooks. When the gap is larger, you can also use your fingers to remove the earpad cushion. The earpads are held to the body of the headphones with these plastic hooks. You can buy new replacement earpads on Amazon or Aliexpress. Links to new replacement earpads are in the video description. To put the new earpad cushion on, you have to make sure that the inner letter of the earpad matches the letter of the headphones side, R on the right side and L on the left side. You have to put the earpad cushion so that the pin fits into the hole in the headphone body, and then you just have to press the earpad so that it clicks and lock in place. It's really that easy. Also check out the previous video of how I glued these headphones together. But for now, like this video and see you in the next videos. All the best.